Good. I have to find a way to space out these flashlight videos more because they are way too many. But they are so dirt cheap and I just have to. Another Ultrafire MiniCob flashlight. Ultrafire MiniCob 250 lumens XPE 4 gear clip light flashlight black for €3.50. Oh, it has a black button on the bottom and the tiniest chip. It's even tinier. It's even tinier than, okay, maybe the glass is doing its work. Okay, as you see, this has two chips as well, this UB chip and the standard LED chip, I would say. We have the, oh, okay, the clip is just clipped on and flew off, so we don't need this. This is made of aluminum. We can unscrew the cap, we will do this later. And this is like the tiny brother of this one. The COB pen LED flashlight waterproof for outdoor work, black with magnet. The MiniCob doesn't have a magnet. Obviously, because there's the button. Okay, let's open it. As we see, it runs on one AA battery or a 14500 cell. It's quite shaky. The walls are obviously thinner than the Ultrafire 68. But I hope we can get there. But it doesn't short circuit. Okay, this is quite pointy. It's still like a meter. This is really focused. But that's okay because somehow we have to, here, to get in the second gear, obviously, and get this cob light. Oh, it can also blink, perfect, and that's the, okay, these are the 4 gears. So we have high, low, normal, and blinking. I don't know why you want this LED to be blinking. Yeah, you can let it stand there to annoy some people also. Oh, that's bright. It does not stand on the back, which is obviously a minus. Also, if you want to use this side light, so you can maybe just use it like this, to put it here and work like this, but without the magnet or the option to clip it anywhere. I don't count this as a clipping option. Yeah, the uses are kind of limited. You can use it like this to spray the light. Okay. And another thing I just discovered was it remembers the last setting and puts you into the next setting. See, if I turn it on, it jumps to the next setting. Why do you want this? I don't understand this. The best way would, okay, I understand it technical wise because you tap it to switch between the modes. And basically turning it on and off is like switching between the modes or like tapping it. But from the user point of perspective, I think if I use this for half an hour and then turn it off, the possibility that I want to use the same setting again is quite high. Let's have a look up here. We have the lens here, basically some plastic stuff. We have like a cone. Oh, a spacer. And oddly enough, it doesn't turn on. Yes, I guess you have to screw in the top to make it turn on for some reason. Okay, basically I just got this for $3.50 to have a comparison to this one. And you see the chip is much smaller, it runs on less batteries. I still don't know why I should use this for or what I should use this for. But anyway, this is a neat little flashlight with 4 gears. Nice. Still I like it. But why you flash? That's it. Thanks a lot for watching.